In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide the default scroll bar in Webflow when you're using a custom one, so your designs stay clean and consistent across the browser. It's a simple but powerful trick that can make a big difference in the overall look and feeling of your site. Now let's get to it. Okay, so we are inside Webflow and I just put together this quick landing page right here. And what we want to do today is to remove the scroll bar from the right side of the screen. That can come in handy sometimes if you have made a custom scroll bar like I've just did on this new page I'm working on. As you can see, I've just made a custom scroll bar on the top of the page and removed the scroll bar from the right side of the page. So that's why I want to remove the standard scroll bar on the right side. So let's go back to Webflow and get some custom code. You can get the custom code from the clonable and you can also get it from my site, and I will leave a link in the description for both of them. So the first thing we need to do is to go to the clonable, and right here where it says hide scroll bar, we're just gonna copy this small code snippet, press Command C, go back to Webflow, and then in the site settings right here, we will go down where it says custom code, and then we will paste it in the head code right here, like this. Then we will press save, like this, go up to publish, and then publish to selected domain. And when it's finished publishing, just gonna take a second right here. Like this. And then we will go back to the site. And now the custom code is actually already installed on our new website. So let's check it out and see if it works. We can go over here, then check out the page I've just made. And as you can see right now, we have the scroll bar in the right side. So let's go up to the top. Let's refresh the page like this. And when we're scrolling now, you can see the scroll bar has disappeared. And that's actually how easy it is. You're welcome. And that's how you remove the default scroll bar and let your custom design stand on its own. If you would like a follow-up video on how to style and animate a custom scroll bar in Webflow, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. My name is Jacob Vingegaard and thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please consider to like and subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.